Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for October 26, 2020. So right now the market is still stuck into this parallel channel here. They put it back up, they put it back down. So we are still sideways correction. So today the market they push back down right into the support, and then they are bouncing back and forward on the 60-minute chart as you can see here. So they go down and then they hit to the top, it bow to the bottom, hit to the top, down to the bottom, and today they hit to the bottom and they bow back up again. So technically we are still in the sideways correction toward the downside. Let's see the market that be able to break out this level in order to continue the uptrend. Otherwise we will stick in the rainbow market like this for a while here, because we are very close to the election. Plus this week we have a lot of big cap stock they're going to announce earnings that we so that we can see, especially tomorrow we have a Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Facebook, Apple. So those stocks we can see how they are doing, so they can give you the direction of the market in the next couple of days. And if you look at the evening S&P 500 after hour also, they also stuck in this channel here, and after hour they try to find a way to put it back up again. If you are a day trader in our live trading room today, when the market open, the market try to push it back up. We're able to gain up about 12 points to the resistance level here, and then market turn around, and then they continue to go south until the end of the day and be able to bow back up again. And then at the when I finish my live trading room, get out, try to get one more bow, couldn't get it up, and then market turned around, took my stop loss, so I cut it short. So we were losing $375 for today, and then today today I didn't have time to take a short here, but this is a very nice short to the downside until the end of the day before the market be able to turn around again. Okay, so if you look at the a lot of stock that we look over the weekend, to the market right now it's still sideways correction. IWM is still stuck into this flag formation here, and XLU also still hold up pretty well here, and especially the stock like NRG, okay, it's still doing well. And okay, also doing well, and a lot of big cap stock to sideways. Apple, uh, actually one good stock at the AMD is still hold up pretty well this morning. They shoot it back up, they pull back down, they still hang in there. Let's see tomorrow what they are going to do here. And a lot of airline stock, hospitality, and a bunch of retail stock. When the market is dropped too fast, no one can survive, so the people sell out a little bit, and then let's see tomorrow the market will be able to recoup and put it up again. Other than that, the market is still in a sideways correction here, so bouncing back and forward. So we have to stick with the rainbow here until the market gives you the clear direction, and we go from there. Okay, so this is all I have for you today, and we will inform you what the market is going to do tomorrow, and then let's see to be able to bow back to the upside again, and then we just follow it and trade in the rainbow ping pong here before the market gives you the clear direction. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and if you would like to learn how to do day trade, how to do swing trade, how to understand the technical analysis and trading, um, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.